Nilight D2S HID bulbs. First and foremost, the brand Nilight is known for its commitment to quality and reliability. Their reputation in the industry speaks for itself. The Nilight D2S HID bulbs live up to this reputation by delivering exceptional performance. These bulbs are specifically designed for use in headlights, making them perfect for any vehicle. They come in a single item package quantity, which is convenient for those who only need to replace one bulb. The color of these bulbs is white, providing a clear and bright light output that enhances visibility on the road. One of the standout features of the Nilight D2S HID bulbs is their voltage of 85 volts. This ensures a consistent and powerful beam of light, illuminating the road ahead with precision and clarity. The bulbs are designed to provide a long lifespan, so you won't have to worry about replacing them frequently. Furthermore, the installation process of these bulbs is hassle-free. They come in a single item package quantity, which is convenient for those who only need to